Autoline at CES is brought to you by Borg Warner, ETOS, and by Gentex.
So, Matthew, who are you? What are you doing at CES?
Hi, I'm Matthew Sidursky, and I'm with Manta Air, and we're debuting, giving a little sneak peek of our new manned drone, the Manta Y4. This is a all-new craft. This is the first one made in the USA. It's actually going to be no pilot's license required. Falls into the ultralight category, though we do give flight training. Full carbon fiber body. And basically we do full customization, so we let you customize the leather option, the carbon fiber option, the stitching pattern, the keys, the charging hole. Every aspect of that would be customized for the user. And basically we're going to be debuting next month at the yacht show in Florida. And at that show we're going to be showing it on the helipad, doing demonstrations every 30 minutes, flying by, and just letting everybody see how it works and stuff like that, and doing pre-orders.
So, excuse my ignorance, what do you do with the company?
So I do marketing and a lot of just basically everything, trade shows and stuff like that, marketing, publicity, that kind of thing. The website.
Well, tell me more about the vehicle itself.
Yeah, for sure. So we made it so you can land on water, just because we knew those yacht people were going to be a big demographic of ours. So we actually made it so you could land, get out, swim. Then basically we have a lot of different safety features. So for one, we have a basically sonar system that lets out a sort of dog whistle for animals. So like when you're in the water, you can actually press a button that'll repel all the sharks away. When you're flying, it's using its thermal imaging to scan for birds and stuff. And when it senses they're in their way, it'll send out a frequency they don't like an irritating frequency, and it'll make them get out of your way, essentially. So that, and then the same thing for dogs too, so they don't run up, get under your propellers and stuff like that when you're trying to take off. And then we also have 3 ballistic parachutes, so 2 on each side and 1 in the front. So this is any incident over 100 feet. We have manual and automatic deployment. So basically, you fall nice and easy to the ground. If it's over 100 feet, that's just the amount of space it needs to deploy. So if it's under that, you're in a little bit rough shape, but
range, how far can it fly?
So it's basically anywhere from 20 to 40 minutes, and then 60 miles per hour is the speed limit for the ultralights, 63. So I'd say about 20 to 40 miles, depending. The higher end would be 20 minutes would be a 300-pound rider versus a 40-minute ride would be more of like a 100, 150-pound rider, and that also varies based on the wind and stuff like that as well.
So what do you expect to retail this for?
So it's going to be $300,000 altogether, delivered to the door, full customization, full trailer included. It's going to have frosted glass, but it's also going to be able to press a button, and it's going to turn crystal clear, so you're going to be able to show that off in the trailer and stuff like that.
And where are you going to make it?
So they're being made in Greenwood, South Carolina. Small town in the southeast, but basically we're going to open up 3 different locations: Los Angeles, New York, and Miami. Those are going to be the locations for the stores where people can go in and kind of like a Tesla store, select what they want and that kind of thing, and see how it's going to look with the rendering.
And when do you think it'll be ready to go on sale?
So we're hoping next month at the yacht show. That's going to be where we're going to start.
But I mean, you're ready to start making these things?
We've already started making them with the machine grade. This is just the handmade prototype, basically.
Yeah, this looks a little rough.
A little rough around the edges, but right. The machine made one has been ready to go. We're just not able to show it flying until the show, just because we have some, what do you call it? Promises to people that have invested and stuff like that.
Got it. Okay. And so where anybody interested, where do they go to find it?
So airmanta.com. Airmanta.com, they can go there and then basically talk with us, and we'll get them set up with the software if they either want to visit or if they want to do it virtually. They can basically design their craft from head to toe with the leather options, the finishing, the paint, the carbon fiber, etc.
Well, good. Thanks much.
Sweet. Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
The automotive industry continues to evolve, and so do the opportunities to define it. BorgWarner, one of the world's most admired companies, gets its partners where they need to go. Let's do something big, together.